Hey, Ermine. Ermine is a friend of the uplifting goat community. Hello, hello. I haven't been awake for more than an hour yet, so I've still got coffee. But I thought I'd give you maybe 10 minutes, real quick. So, and they are working on a game called Pachinko. I downloaded this version. Let's see what we got here. Got all kinds of where the heck I'm going. And I thought I would record this for you. So you can do. Oh wait, it's a love file. Uh, what do I do? So I downloaded your game, and it's a .love file. So I wasn't going to download all of Love 2D for your game. So I thought it'd be an executable. So let's just run game. All right, am scripting. Chico. You still, I don't know if you're doing a load or whatever that looks like there, but not having control when your title screen comes up with no indicator that what's going on. Maybe it'd be better if you need to have that loading time to load the scene or whatever you're doing, then hide the player character and then have the player character maybe teleport in or something like that. So then go full screen. So then you don't give the player the false sense that they can do something without doing it. Why is this? I got to go full screen here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. So we got select mode, we got normal, and we got one. And yeah, so let's see here. All right. Oh, I got little fireballs. 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 What's that little rotating? Oh, what's that rotating blue thing around me? Oh, does this do damage? Ow. Trying to figure it out. What is this blue thing? Nope. Don't know what the blue dot is. I must be born again. Points. I got points. Maximum death. Your fonts are looking better. This font is it's readable, so I appreciate that. All right. Look, I got high scores. D. B. I don't know. Boink. There it is. Yeah. Pushing buttons, pushing buttons, pushing buttons, pushing buttons, pushing buttons. I guess you are doing a fade up from black. Faster. Faster if you can. Tight loops. Don't waste time. Oh, look, your weapon now changes at the beginning. Oh, interesting. All right. Let's see what we got here. You got your spread shot. Spread shot with a bounce. Dude, this thing's a beast. Oh, ow, ow, ow. What was that? I hit two of those things. Oh. You know what I need to do? I need to start a replay buffer so I can take a look at what this looks like. Yeah, so you already got my feedback in initials each time. Yeah, over it already. So let's get that taken care of. Also, I'd love like just a quick restart, like this loop. This loop, while it's only I don't know, 8 or so seconds, maybe 10. Just give me a quick restart on death. All right. Let's roll it back. We have issues with visibility, but I'm taking a look. Where's my button for video? I think it's that. All right, cool. And open downloads. Oops. Go hit that button. I'm in the middle. I'm getting ready to do some Interstellar Sentinel 2 development, so I don't get too far down the hole in this. Okay. Yes. There we go. Video folder. Hello, hello. All right, cool. Replay. Let's get that taken care of. This loop. Well, just give me a quick restart on. Also, just a bit of feedback here. The little rings that are flying into you, they don't really read as good power-ups or like score nuggets, you want to work on making sure that they clearly are in a very positive color spectrum. So green could be a very positive color spectrum, for instance. I typically like red is bad, green is good, and then making sure that when things are flying into the player, they're not causing the same kind of distraction, and that you wind up looking at the things they're flying into you. So usually glowy, green, maybe a bit more transparent. Right now everything is very small and kind of noisy. So, but we were going to take a look at what killed us here. All right. Yeah. Just give me a quick restart on death. All right, here we go. What happened to me? Oh, I guess that's. All right. What the? So, what killed me here? Is it this green square that killed me? All right. Well, there you go, dude. One of the things I would recommend that you do: sit down, fire up OBS, play, and set up your ability to create a replay buffer. If you've got a Stream Deck, or you could also bind to just keys on your desktop or your keyboard. And then every time you get killed by something that you can't quite understand, just do what I did there. So my feedback to you is I looked at a big green square, didn't look like it was dangerous. So, yeah, so that just feels unfair. All right, but now I've learned a lesson. I guess I had green square. Oh my God. Okay, so I guess it's fairly okay to have green slimes. I guess that's why you're color coding, coordinating the enemies to those attacks. Oh, look at this. Yeah, so nice. D-pad works. Firelight rocket, water rockets. I know I have an L2 I need to start using too. Freeze time bomb with no icon. Bomb slot, secondary slot. Replaces. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'd work on your layout a little bit. Might be, you probably could do the name of the attack and its slot, or maybe you could indicate slot as one of your icons. But look, most of your information is here, which is good. Oh, you're gonna have some stats. So DPS, homing water. All right, let's try that, shall we? Replaces fire rockets. All right, I gotta check that. Yeah, okay, I had to double check. It's so why did I still have enemy attacks when there's no more enemies in the world? Wait, are those my attacks? I'm so confused. And I pressed. I did have L2. What happened to the controls? Okay, cool. So you added the bindables. Nice job, dude. Left stick remains available. So move up, move down, left, right. Primary shot, secondary shot. So you have it as the right trigger here. Okay. Being able to use the circle button to back out of menus would be nice. And or the B button on a... Okay. Where's the bomb? So right trigger isn't working for me. Is it because... Okay, so those bombs are mine. So I'm running to my... Oh, man. You've got That's something you want to understand in your language. If one of your base, if your base abilities are able to damage the player, you definitely want to call that out with what that looks like. So otherwise, you're going to get like what I just did to try to figure this out. Most players aren't going to do, and they're just going to say it's janky and then move on. So, okay, that's about all the time I have. Oh, wait a minute. let's go. Also, weird that you have these square blocks that you can just walk over. I don't know if those are tiles. They kind of read those walls. Oh, what is that? Am I getting hurt by the walls? Why are you shaking the whole world when I rub the walls? Why are we shaking the whole camera when I'm wall rubbing? That's weird, man. Oh, I got that. That was all me. I saw that. All right. So now the next step, like you want to take a page from Vampire Survivors to some degree, Ermine. I'd highly recommend put some time into it to understand how their weapon evolution system works. You're kind of using that anyways, and they've kind of set the gold standard for what that looks like. Spend time there. I think you'll enjoy that. Fireline rockets, fire rockets, fireline rockets. So 4 damage, 2 damage. The other thing that you might want to do here is if we're going to do the replace water rockets, just give the show the stats, right? So generally people want to continue to get stronger, or they change strength for utility. So a weapon has more utility and you might lose some of your like damage. Oh, it's interesting that you have five ammo on this secondary. Okay. I don't know, something's still wrong. Controls. Secondary. Mouse to right trigger. New input. So my PS5 controller isn't registering left or right triggers. So I'll switch it to right shoulder. It was previously with the game. So all right, and from the last build, by the way. All right. Wow. Mr. Homie, did you test this stuff? So secondary shot on the keyboard is F. Take a look. Oh. Full screen. Oh, what happened? Whoa. Check that out. Your layout got all Funkle Stiltskins. Okay. Oh, escape is back. Oof, holy janks. Yeah, how do I get out of this? Oh, there we go. All right, maybe it's the character type as to why. Oh, now look, the layouts are all messed up. What happened there? All right, dude. It needs more love. I hope this is helpful, and thanks for putting up the build. Talk to you soon.